Hey friends, welcome to our channel Red City. Today we are going to make a very famous Himachali dish, Redu. So you must have eaten many good recipes, but this time is quite different and easy to make and serve. So without wasting a time, let's start the recipe. For Redu, you need 1 chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 cup curd, salt as per taste, 1 spoon oil. So here we start. Add 1 spoon oil in a pan, then put some cumin seeds, hing and green chilli. After that put 1 chopped onion and saute it till it gets brown in color. Then add red chilli powder as it will give color to your redu. And now put turmeric powder and salt. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we switch off the flame and wait till it gets cool. Now we will add curd. Fine redu is ready. This is the simple recipe which you can make in minutes and it tastes delicious. Now you can serve this recipe with rice or chapati. Enjoy your redu. So if you like these recipes, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for all the important notifications.